Hi, thanks for joining me today. Today we are up at Jordanelle Reservoir and it's gonna get hot. The weather forecast says it's gonna be almost 100 degrees today, and yeah, you can tell. So what a perfect day to talk about the Arctic Cove Mister. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and if we haven't met yet, our channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to help you have a great camping experience. So let's get started. You know those days when you just can't seem to get any relief out of the heat? Well, it's miserable, and I know I start to get a little bit cranky. Well, this Arctic Cove Mister is just the ticket for those hot summer days to keep you cool and comfortable. Now this mister, it runs on the Ryobi One Plus battery system. It's the same system that you use for your Ryobi power tools. This is a plus for us because we use a lot of the Ryobi power tools that we take with us on all of our adventures. Now this mister is great because you can use it as just a fan, and we use it as a fan in our RV. But I love the misting component. So here we go. There are these two buttons here in the front. This is for the fan, a high and low. And then this is for the mist. You push this button high or low and it comes out of these two little nozzles here on the side and blows the mist right into the fan stream. Oh, it's so refreshing. Now you can hook this up to your hose for, let's say you're in the backyard, to help keep the kids and the dog cool. But I think where it really shines is when we take it to the beach or up camping. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, you know, like the ones at Home Depot. This thing just sits right on top of the Home Depot bucket, and you just fill it up with water, put the hose down in there, and you're ready for a fun-filled, relaxing day. You know, we love our Arctic Cove Mister, and I give it 5 stars out of 5 stars because we do a lot of desert camping, and when it's really hot, this can really turn our day around. I'll leave the link below if you'd like to check it out. I promise you will thank me later, especially when it's this hot. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, give us a big thumbs up. We'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.